I just turned 57 years old, and if there's one thing that I've learned over the last few years is that artificial intelligence isn't just for programmers, tech companies, or the younger generation. In fact, I believe people over 50, like myself, have more to gain from AI than anyone else. Because I work with individuals every day teaching them how to get the most out of AI, and the biggest misconceptions that I hear almost on a daily basis is, Andy, I don't know enough about technology. And the truth of the matter is, you don't need to know about technology. You just need to know how to ask questions. So think about AI as having a personal online assistant, a researcher, a teacher, a writer, a marketing expert, a travel agent, and even a business consultant available 24 hours a day. So let's go through some examples. So let's say you're planning a vacation. Instead of spending hours searching websites, reading reviews, and comparing destinations, you can simply ask AI a simple question. I would like you to create a 7-day road trip through northern Michigan, which is beautiful and where I'm located, with scenic stops, great restaurants, and affordable hotels. And guess what? Within seconds, you'll have a complete itinerary. Or maybe you're trying to eat healthier like me. So let's ask AI. Please create a week's worth of healthy dinner recipes that are easy to prepare and use common grocery store ingredients. It's a simple shopping list. Or let's say you're helping aging parents like I am, trying to understand Medicare or medical terminology. AI can explain complicated topics in plain English. You can literally say, explain this all to me as if you're talking to a friend. And it will. And if you're a small business owner, the opportunities are even bigger because I show small business owners how to use AI to write social media posts, create marketing plans, draft emails, develop customer follow-up systems, and generate content ideas. For example, let's say you're staring at a screen, wondering what to post on Facebook. You can ask AI, give me 30 post ideas for a local business that wants to attract more customers. Now you have a month's worth of content ideas. And let's say, for example, you're a landscaping company. You can ask, write me an email promoting spring cleanup services. Or give me 10 ways to get more referrals from existing customers. And guess what? The answers are going to come back to you in seconds. Another area where AI shines is learning. Maybe you always wanted to understand investing. Maybe you're interested in cryptocurrency. Or maybe you want to start to learn about photography, woodworking, a new language, or gardening. AI can become your personal tutor. And unlike school, you can ask the same question 10 times if you need to because there's no judgment and no embarrassment. There's just answers. And one of my favorite examples involves saving time. Imagine you're trying to write a long email or reading a complicated article. Instead of spending 20 minutes trying to understand, you can copy it into AI and ask, please summarize this into 5 simple bullet points. Guess what? Done. Or ask, what are the 3 most important takeaways from this article? Again, done. What used to take 20 minutes now takes literally 20 seconds. And I also use AI for brainstorming. Whether I'm creating content, solving business problems, planning projects, or organizing ideas, AI helps me to think through possibilities faster than ever before. But here's what I want people over 50 to understand, and I'd like to share this with you. AI doesn't replace our experience. It amplifies experience. The technology can provide information, but it doesn't replace decades of real-world wisdom. It can't replace common sense. It can't replace judgment. That's where you and I, over 50, come in. The people who will get the biggest advantage from AI aren't necessarily the youngest people. They're the people who combine experience with technology. And if you're over 50, like me again, you already have the experience part down pat. Now it's just a matter of learning how to use the tool, because that's all AI is. And I'd like to leave this advice or insight with you. Start simple. Ask AI to write an email. Ask it to explain something you always wanted to understand. Ask it to create a travel plan, a business plan, or anything else you would like. And the more you use it, the more possibilities you'll discover. Because at 57, I can honestly say this. I've seen a lot of technology come and go, just like many of you, but AI is different. It's one of the few tools that can genuinely help everyday people save time, make better decisions, learn faster, and accomplish more. And guess what? We're only at the beginning. The people who learn how to use AI today will have a tremendous advantage tomorrow. Not because they're technology experts, but because they have learned how to work smarter. And that's something anyone can do. Thanks for watching. Feel free to click the subscribe button because we have a lot more great content. Again, this is Andy. Thanks.